Hello everybody and welcome back to WiscoTrains. This is going to be a quick video and actually something that just surprised me way out of the blue. I'm going to show you how to install a decoder in Kato Locomotive, and I'll be 100% honest, I wish I knew about this, I don't know, years ago. I didn't realize how easy this was. Like, I had no intention of making this video, and then I got like a third of the way through the process and realized how fast and easy this was going to be, and there was no way I could not make a video because I was somewhat flabbergasted. So I'm going to be showing you how I put a decoder in 8701. I'll show you a quick video tour of it, driving around the layout in DC mode. I originally bought this train from Train World, DC only, with the intention of learning how to put a decoder in it. When we start this video, I have already taken the body shell off of the Kato. It's a GE ES44AC. In the Canadian Pacific. I've talked about why I bought it in Canadian Pacific colors and how that's not going to stay, but that's not this video. After doing so, I slipped off this PCB board, I think is what you call it. Came off real easy, just pulled straight. You pull back a little bit and then pull straight up and it comes off. And there's two tabs that it connects to on the locomotive itself. The only finicky thing that I really had to do was put a piece of electrical tape over the top. You can see where I'm putting it on. I tried to cut it as best as I could. It wasn't perfect, but it worked. The next thing I had to do was take the decoder out of the packaging. Using TCS K1D4 decoder. Two things you do have to worry about is making sure that you get it over the tabs on the side, because one points up, one points down. The one that points down really easy. The one that points up, you got to make sure you get that tucked in. And also that it goes into the notch in the front on the metal part of the locomotive. And once that's on, the decoder's installed. Then I brought it over to the layout, and again, pretty amazed that this was ready to go. I fired up the DCC system, programmed it quickly to 8701 without the shell on. Once I realized it was working with the shell off, I then put the shell back on and started taking it around the layout for a quick trip. And this might be the most unbelievable part, but I just checked how long it took from the time I started the first video to the time I took the video of it actually running on the layout. It was a matter of 25 minutes, and I'll be 100% honest with you. I probably took a few minutes beforehand to get the shell off, which, I don't know, 2 minutes. And then 10 minutes of that was me looking for the manual for my DCC system to figure out and remember how to program stuff. That's shockingly fast. Like, I am surprised. I also consisted the locomotive with my SD70ACE in Green Bay and Western colors to run around the layout. And I'm going to leave you with videos of the locomotive running around the layout. And here's the crazy thing. I just looked it up on Train World. You can get this exact same locomotive for $89.99, so 90 bucks, plus it's currently about 35 bucks to get the decoder. You're looking at a very nice, well-detailed DCC locomotive that takes, I don't know, 15-20 minutes worth of your time for 125 bucks, which to me is a great and insane deal. I know I probably have a pretty big layout compared to some people, and it may seem like I got all the money and time in the world, but I don't. I have a budget that I got to work within. A lot of the time why it seems like I'm buying stuff is because I'm working overtime, and I'm putting a little bit more towards the train budget every time I work overtime. This is economically a great idea, and I wish I had known about this before. And I'm hoping that I'm enlightening a lot of you, and you all can be privy to this and realize how easy this is. This is something I've been putting off, something I've been wanting to learn how to do. Yeah, especially for Kato locomotives, like, go ahead, do it. I don't know how much easier it could be. Painting is harder, and I don't like the fiddly electronic stuff. Go out, go do it. It's a great idea. And yeah, that's all I got for this WiscoTrains. So see you all next time. Check out another video, like, subscribe, and you'll see more about the Green Bay and Western modeling trains and real trains too. So see you around. Bye.